How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them on Android. This tutorial shows you how to restrict a conversation so it disappears from your main inbox and into a separate message request folder. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and head into the chat you want to hide. After that, tap on the profile name at the top of the chat to open their profile. From there, tap on Privacy and Safety to open the privacy options for that account. At this point, tap on Restrict to enable the restrict feature for that person. In the next step, a prompt will appear explaining what restricting does. Once restricted, their messages will be moved out of your main inbox and into a separate message request folder. The chat will be hidden from your inbox right away without deleting any of the messages. Finally, if you ever want to find the hidden chat again, just go to your message requests folder and it will be sitting right there, along with all the previous messages still intact. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide a chat on Instagram without deleting it on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.